What's up? Welcome back. I'm gonna get my first reel mow in for the day. I've got my lemon shirt on that's too small. That makes my guns look good. And so let's check this reel mower out, make sure it's sharp, the bed's level, and all that, and we're gonna get to mowing. All right, if it can mow, all right, if it can cut paper, it can cut grass. Let's get to it. We'll start with my favorite part first. Felt good, good. So I will be using the rotary mower today, but I did a dormant seed, so that seed should be down in the soil pretty nicely. I said, you know what? I got a bunch of perennial rye. I've already dormant seeded, so why not just put the rest of that seed down and don't put any pre-emergence. And we're gonna skip mesotrione, because I want to use that later in the year when we do a renovation, and you can only use it so many times, and it's not this wonder drug that you think it is if you look it up. So let's get back to mowing. Stay away from the road.
No, not coming.
Does it look better, Nora?
Yeah.
Alright, so one of the issues with not using a pre-emergent this year and not using a pre-emergent last fall, I have a ton of POA and we didn't have a hard winter, so I still have some crabgrass. So what we're going to do is we'll go around and be nice and careful and pluck all of those as they come up. Probably use some post-emergent if the ryegrass comes up nice and strong. Probably in 6 weeks maybe. So there's the soil bed there. And this is my nice cut yard. No stripes. I'm gonna do some top leveling here, probably. And the best part of my yard is actually down by the curb here. That is nice. All right, I'm on a winter trip to the UP, Upper Peninsula, Michigan. I'll drop this video when I get back, so we'll see how we green up here when I get back. And I will see you guys next time. If you enjoyed this first mow, like. If you want to stick around, subscribe. See ya.